What's up, guys? Today we're in the Pine River up near Florence, Wisconsin. Water is low right now, visibility is pretty clear. A lot of people float down here. It's like an oxbow because the big loop comes back and we'll get out.
There's 300-year-old clams, I heard. We're down the street.
It's about a 2 hour and 45 minute float, but we are kind of walking and floating down underwater, so who knows how long it will take.
And the nice gentleman that works here said they just recently found 4 sets of keys, so let's try to double that.
There he is up on the bridge up there. He actually gave us a ride to the end. He brought me back here so when we get to the end we'll have the vehicle.
So Christy doesn't have to wimp about a 5-mile trek back.
Exactly. So there's the bridge up there. This tire must have flew off, ended up down here. There we go, get that out of the water. Good find. Got some big old pinchers. Here. Big chunk of metal. Okay. I just fed a couple of bass, some crayfish.
Me too.
Isn't it awesome?
He was right in front of me.
I had 3 of them.
Yeah, they're so friendly.
I know. Floating. These bass are huge.
Somebody was having a rough float. They're chapless shorts now.
Not as rough as you in the woods.
No, not. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that is really cool. They gotta be edible. A waterfall. I don't know how much further we have to go yet. How long were we in here for? The whole poop gate took what, 20 minutes?
No, I can't believe you said that.
Poop gate.
Dad, don't embarrass me. Oh my God, it's the first plane.
Save us!
Get out of here!
I'm stuck in the river with her.
Are you serious? You have no idea. You don't even want to know. That tire reeks.
You sure it's the tire or did you get something on your suit? I'm hungry and I'm kind of cold and I kind of have to go poo.
Do what I did.
This one's canoe paddle. Thank God. Sign right there says takeout. I had 500 feet. Whew. I think we made it. The oxbow takeout. I'm glad it's done. Is it oxbow or oxbow?
Oxbow.
The oxbow takeout. How would you describe your experience?
It was really long and it was really wet.
Remember that one time floating down the Pine River?
I don't even talk about it. Dirty.
Next time bring the toilet paper.
What's up, guys? Look at all this stuff. Christy, you want to show us what we find?
Okay.
What kind of perfume is that, Christy?
Jovan Deet Musk. Today we took a trip down the Pine River.
You missed a spot. Oh my God, he's really doing it. He does love it.
I like to look good for the camera.
And my man.
I'm your lady.
What did we get?
So today we found this cool turtle. Found some glass, some plastic, some aluminum, all these nasty vapes.
Well, those don't belong in the water. How many nerds have you eaten today?
This is on my 3rd pack of nerds.
Hold on a second, you're glistening.
It looks like something bit you right in the forehead.
My mask really destroyed my face today.
I have 3 eyebrows right now. Can you see them? Yeah, because somebody doesn't know how to loosen her goggles.
I actually destroyed the bank of the river today.
The Pine River is not so pine salt fresh anymore.
Got this really cool mask today.
Did you find it yourself or did Ed find it?
I found this.
Just to be clear.
Ed found some sunglasses, this clothing.
What happened to those shorts?
Someone annihilated these shorts. Wow.
And that was in the beginning of the float.
Ew.
Ed
found this big piece of metal here.
Has Ed the Diver ever found one of those?
You're Ed the Diver.
Just joking. That's how hard this is.
What you got there, Christy?
Ed found this really cool paddle part.
What do you do with it?
I think you put it in the water and move yourself along.
Oh, okay.
It was a really long trip, like 3 hours, and I only made it like a third of the way and I had to go to the bathroom. Anyway, we also find this tire over here.
It was very heavy.
I had to roll this thing up the hill because Ed was too lazy to lift it. These bonks are horrible.
So horrible. They must smell the sweet nectar. So we had a great time. I'm supposed to be you, right? We had a great time. As you can see, we got a lot of metals, some plastics, some glasses, some goggles, everything that doesn't belong in the water. Let's keep our waterways clean.
I don't do that.
I'm just joking. You really don't.
What a fun adventure.
It was super fun.
I love you.
I love you too.
It's okay to be goofy once in a while.
Get it?